The French National Assembly's Foreign Affairs Committee stated in a report at the beginning of November that Paris's standing in the continent has been severely harmed by France's conflicting actions. African countries are increasingly diversifying their partnerships, turning to China, Russia, and other players. This reduces France's leverage and ability to shape African affairs. Perceptions of France as interfering, exploitative, and hypocritical are on the rise. This manifests in protests, calls for renegotiating agreements, and growing support for anti-French movements. Amid extremely tense relations between Burkina Faso and France, we learned that 4 French civil servants, intelligence agents according to a Burkinabè source, and computer maintenance technicians, were arrested in Ouagadougou at the beginning of December. According to the reports, the detainees are currently held in a pre-trial detention center. They have been recognized as workers of the French Directorate General for External Security. These 4 technicians were in Burkina Faso to carry out a computer maintenance operation for the benefit of the French embassy. They were moved to the Ouagadougou Prison and Correction Center on December 14 after being charged. The General Consulate of France was allowed to visit them and provide consular protection. The diplomatic source from France said that the French government acknowledges the ongoing legal proceedings but rejects accusations that these technicians were sent to Burkina Faso for purposes unrelated to their computer maintenance work. He requested their return to France without delay. The relationship between Burkina Faso and France has significantly deteriorated since Captain Ibrahim Traore assumed leadership. The decision to denounce the 1961 military agreement signifies a significant shift in Burkina Faso's relationship with France and its approach to foreign military presence. It reflects the government's desire to assert its sovereignty and defend itself, as well as its commitment to reevaluating and redefining its international partnerships. Burkina Faso has also suspended several French media outlets, such as Radio France Internationale and Le Monde. Burkina Faso has made significant progress toward Russia this year as part of its effort to broaden its alliances. Take note that Russia has made a noteworthy commitment to construct a nuclear power facility in Burkina Faso. The deal is part of Burkina Faso's target to achieve 95% electricity access for urban areas and 50% for rural areas by 2030. The deal follows a request made by Burkina Faso's leader, Captain Ibrahim Traore, to Russian President Vladimir Putin during the Russia-Africa Summit in St. Petersburg in July. While all this is going on in the country, Captain Ibrahim Traore announced the expulsion of all foreign mining companies operating in his country. This bold move was intended to reclaim control of the country's abundant gold resources. Due to the huge profits that Western firms have made on Africa's resources, many of the continent's nations are stuck in cycles of dependency and poverty. Traore's initiatives are part of a growing trend among African leaders, who are demanding a more equitable sharing of their riches that goes beyond the immediate financial benefits and challenging the notion that their continent is merely a source of cheap resources. What do you think will be done to these 4 French soldiers who were arrested? Is France still looking for means to get into Burkina Faso? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the New Tourist channel. Turn on notifications too, so you get notified whenever we upload videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.